Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to talk about how to log out of your Roblox account on PS5. It's a really quick and easy process, which is great for when you want to switch accounts or sign in with a different one. So let's get started in just a few simple steps. In order to log out from your PS5, you need to first have your Roblox account logged in your PlayStation 5. Once there, go ahead and open the Roblox menu, press the options button on your controller or the PS button to open the options over there or bring the menu. Then go to settings, use your joystick to scroll through the menu and select settings. Then after you'll see the option of logout. You can go ahead and press on that or the X button and confirm your choice when prompted. Or you can go to the Security tab on your PS5, go to where you're logged in section, find the Roblox PlayStation app, and click the arrow icon next to it, then click Disconnect PlayStation to disconnect. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.